So I posted a video a week or two ago about Irish for a bud. Bachlóg. Bachlóg is a bud that's about to grow. And I said ta bachlóg ar a hangi, meaning there's a bud on his tongue. I think I said sprout in the video, but bud would probably be more appropriate. And some people didn't really understand what I meant, what the saying is. So ta bachlóg ar a hangi means there's basically a bud on his tongue, kind of affecting the speech, you know, and it's coming through the talking. Basically, he's a lisper, something wrong with his tongue, you know, that's making him a bit hard to understand. And I saw one as well, another version of it by Shano Hoy ta bamboo ar a hangi, it was said in Teelan. I don't know, was there any bamboo in Teelan, but anyways, I would presume it's the plant they meant. Ta bamboo ar a hangi, vi shadali hegfel vi radnya ar a hangi. So yeah, so ta bachlóg ar a hangi, or ta bamboo ar a hangi.